Hello everyone, Suutamie here, your local community translator. Today, in this video, we will be opening a 20 pack of the recently released Dark Phantasma. I was able to get these from the nearby Babies R Us. Yes, Babies R Us still exists in Japan. But even though it's a 20 pack, we'll only be opening 15 packs in this video. That's because every month I try to get 2 or 3 packs of cards and I put them away to give to my son in the future. Probably his 5th or 6th birthday depending on how his interests go. So today, out of 20 packs, we'll be opening 15. And the other 5, well, I guess we'll just need to wait until my son is old enough to enjoy the games. Just a bit of warning, I'm not hugely knowledgeable on the way the game is played or holos, super holos, rarity and all of that. I just like collecting the cards and looking at the cards. It's a little bit fun and the artwork is always fantastic. So anyway, let's have a look. So you can see the Babies R Us tape there and the 20 packs. Even the artwork in the packaging is just fantastic, but I love ghost type Pokemon and I also have a massive soft spot for Zubat. So those are the 5 packs I'll keep for my son. And these are the 15 we have left. Let's have a look what I got here. Snorunt, Mischievous, the Lake. My first holo, and Iskan. Honestly, I'm partial to the shiny cards. I don't really care about the rarity, I just like shiny things. And pack 2? Sorora. It's so cute. I wish it was shiny like in the new animation. I was really happy when I drew this one. Like the pose of it and the art is just so intense and it really matches well. And this one, it's so cute, but it brings me trauma. That's exactly the way I sleep with my son, with his foot in my face. And number 3, pack number 3, what do we have here? Gumi. Actually, that's also kind of traumatic. I spent so long shiny hunting a Gumi and got nowhere. Oh, and the holos for this pack, Machamp and Chimecho. I kind of wish the Chimecho was under the house, like in the game. That would have been really cute. And pack number 3? Another Sora? I think, like, out of a 20 pack, you're gonna get more than a few dupes, so it is what it is. And a ultra rare shiny energy? Maybe, I don't know. And pack number 4. Let's see what this one holds. Clefairy, that is so cute. And Sliggoo. Honestly, the whole like reimagining of the Gudra line is so good. And the Electrode. Beastar. The Ghastly, actually this one's really interesting because you can see that there's a train there which doesn't really match with history. Pack number 5 if I remember correctly. Zubat. I honestly love Zubat. I don't see why it gets so much hate. Well, I mean, I get why it gets so much hate, but I still love it. Arcphone. Vascular Legion. That was another really good reimagining. Like, the Legends games has so many good regional forms. Number 6, I think. I'm really bad at keeping count. My first Gudra. The poor thing, it looks so sad. Pack number 7? There was also something interesting about this. I was zooming in trying to get it to show, but it just wouldn't focus. And once again, we can see the train of the non-holo version of Ghastly. There's also a person in the back of that one too, but you can't quite see. And a Holo Volo. Pack number 8, I think. I should really keep notes. Another Gumi. And a Daddy Doggo. I actually plan to make a video going over Growlithe and Arcanine, like the history versions and the relevance to Japanese culture. Pack number 9. Another Wurmple. Few dupes in here. And once again, like I said, another dupe. Basculegion, and bye-bye to the Paris. Nobody wants to see that, even if it is a holo. Pack number 10. So after this, 5 more. And another Sorora. Arezu. Nuts. Crobat. This one's really cool. The eyes in the reflection, and of course the little ghost. 11, 12, 13, 14. I think I'm counting right, maybe. And let's see what we have here. Another little Growlithe. The Mr. Mime guarding the gate. And another special Zorak. And the next pack. Oh. Sudowoodo, another Gumi. So yeah, I'm getting to the point where I'm just constantly hitting dupes. But I did get this really nice V-Star Gumi. Not Gumi, Gudra. And the Misfortune Sister, so that's a nice one. And pack 14, this looks like. Almost at the end. Let's hope I get something good in the last few pulls. Nice Gengar. And at least it's a Holo Zorara this time. And the last pack, fingers crossed we get something good. Finally I get a Rotom, even if it's a normal one. Another Gudra. I think I got almost all of the Gudras. Ooh, this one was my favorite. Along with the Pikachu and the trainer one, I think those two are probably the best. So let's have a quick look through all of the holos I got. Let's get them organized. Here we go. Gudra, Misfortune Sisters, Zorora, Gengar. The Misfortune Sisters again, Gudra again, Basculin, Zorak, Spiritomb, Crobat, Basculegion, number 1, Arcanine. And Ghastly, Electrode. The really pretty energy card. Me and my son sleeping. And finishing on the... Oh, don't want to see that Paris. And here we have the last 5 packs. Probably hiding all the very best cards, of course. But nobody will know what's inside for another 5 or 6 years. So let's look forward to it, I guess. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is my first card opening video. Like I said, I'm not hugely knowledgeable on the card game. It's just a bit of fun. I like looking at the art. I like collecting things, even if I'm never going to really use them. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Mata ne! Bye bye!